How's it going, guys? Stefan is here. Welcome back for another video. In today's video we'll discuss something very interesting. I did a video a while ago about the new Rode products that they released, well, a couple of weeks ago, and there's a lot of hype going on now. So they released a couple of new products, so this is the biggest Rode announcement, so I decided to make a video. This is going to be a serious video, so let's discuss now the new product that Rode announced. Tom Buck just did a video a couple of days ago about the new products as well. I'll link it in the descriptions down below, so if you want to see the video, I highly recommend to see the video to see actually very good video about the Rode products, and I'm really enjoying that Tom actually has got his real opinion about the Rode products. So it doesn't matter that as a YouTuber or creator, I mean, we all have opinions about the brands. So even a small channel like mine, I still have opinions. So I think it's good if you have opinion, just say your opinion, man. Don't keep it for yourself if you're not happy about something. So the new Rode products, actually they're very good. They announced the Rodecaster Duo, which is the smaller version of the Rodecaster Pro 2. Also they announced the pod mic USB, so basically the most popular pod mic Rode that it's been like 3 years, 4 years. The pod mic, super popular for podcasts. And they announced another version which is hybrid, so it's going to be USB and XLR. And also they announced a new wireless system which is called Wireless Me. So it's going to be maybe affordable version of the Wireless Go 2. We'll discuss the prices. This is the serious thing. I think it's very important to know you since the beginning. If you're watching today's video, we'll discuss the prices here in UK. And they announced something very interesting, which I think is the future for many streamers, YouTubers, and content creators. They announced the Streamer X, which basically it's a capture card, 4K capture card device with XLR port. So it's going to be an audio interface with a 4K capture card. This is amazing. So it's one unit. So you don't need to buy a capture card and you don't need to buy audio interface. So this is very good. So let's talk about the pricing now. So this is very interesting, guys, because now we have all the prices for the new products. Well, we had the prices 2 weeks ago already. In some of the American websites, B&H already, they got the prices first, if I'm not wrong. So let's talk about the prices now. So the Rodecaster Duo will be priced for $499. The pod mic USB, obviously it's a hybrid, will be $200. The XLR combination capture card audio device, it's $399. I mean, the prices I think is the bigger issue, so that's why I'm making today's video. I'll give you the prices here in UK quickly as well. So the Rodecaster Duo currently will be sold here in UK. In some websites already the price is for 569 British pounds, and also 600 pounds as well. I'll show you. There's some websites already put the price 600 pounds for the Rodecaster Duo, which is insane. The Streamer X will be priced for 345 pounds. The pod mic USB will be priced 220 British pounds. So that's why I decided to be serious and to make today's video. Rode actually we know that they're very well brand. It's everybody knows Rode brand. I think they dominate the music, they dominate the audio, period. I mean, I don't get paid to say that, I mean, if you're a content creator, podcaster, YouTuber, I think they are the go-to for audio podcasts. I mean, I don't know if you think I'm wrong, let me know in the comments below, but they're very popular in terms of audio. No complaints whatsoever. The products that they make, they're high quality. But let's talk about this new products that they will be shipped probably from this month or maybe next month. We already have prices. Also, we have dates. So if you're planning to order the Streamer X now here in UK, will be shipped probably next month, probably the mid of June. You're gonna receive your Streamer X if you order it in UK. For the Duocaster, for the Procaster Duo, probably next month, August, probably you're gonna receive it. So my frustration is the prices, but not just the prices in the States. I think in general the prices in UK or maybe in Europe. Let me know in the comments below if you have the same issue with the pricing. I know, no doubts, the quality of the products is amazing. No complaints. Maybe I'm gonna make a complaint about the build quality, but internally the quality is top on. I mean, it's just fantastic. But the pricing is it's just very expensive. It's overpriced. Let's talk about the Rodecaster Duo here in UK. £600. The RCP2 Rodecaster Pro 2, it's same price here in UK. You can find it even cheaper for £550. So therefore, I don't know what is the reason of this price. I know the quality is gonna be great. It's a compact device. The only difference between the Rodecaster Duo and the Rodecaster Pro 2 is basically the compact design, and you're gonna have two less inputs. That's it. But this doesn't make the price more expensive than the Rodecaster Pro 2. So that's why I don't know why the prices is very high. Taxes, I don't know. So I'm gonna tell you something that probably you don't know. I pre-ordered the Streamer X, and I was expecting as well to wait to see what's gonna be the price for the Procaster Duo, because the next device that I will buy, I said, you know what, I'm gonna order Streamer X. I know the price 345, that's fine. When I saw the price for the Rodecaster Duo, I canceled my pre-order because I was shocked. I was shocked that the price is £560, nearly £600 for this device. And I said to myself, you know what, I'm gonna cancel my pre-order. I'm not gonna buy nothing, because personally for me this is a lot of money. I can afford to buy these products, but there's a people that they can't, and because Rode thinks that they have a high-end products, and they think that we can put the prices up. And so I said to myself, you know what, I'm gonna cancel my pre-order. I'm not gonna purchase this product. Probably I will purchase all the products when I see proper pricing. So let me know in the comments below, this is the same situation in your country, in your city. This is the same. This is gonna be interesting to know if you have the same issue in your country, because the prices is just madness. They're high, overpriced in my opinion. So I'm gonna mention Tom Buck again. I'm gonna leave the video in the descriptions down below. Highly recommend to watch his video. Also, he's got a lot of frustrations about the prices, and something very interesting that I think is gonna be a problem, I don't know. So Rode announced a new feature for the new Rodecaster Duo, which is coming now. Also, they unlocked this feature with the software. So now you can use your wireless system directly with your Rodecaster Pro 2, and with the Rodecaster Duo. So this feature was 1 year locked, and now this feature is unlocked because they announced these new products. So yeah, definitely recommend to watch the Tombugs video. I'll leave it in the descriptions down below. Again, definitely watch it. So there you have it, guys. Let me know in the comments below what do you think. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments down below. I'll keep you updated. I decided to make today's video. Let's have some conversations in the comments below. Hit me up with some comments. Let me know what do you think. Do you agree with me? Do you don't agree with me? Do you think that the prices are high-end because obviously it's a high-end product and taxes? I don't know. Let me know in the comments below if you have any information why the prices are so expensive. There we have it, guys. This is Stefan. If you enjoyed today's video, hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.